In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to always appear active on Slack Full 2026 Guide. Before we dive in, a quick note. Use these tips responsibly and in line with your team's policies. Slack's active status is designed to reflect availability, so we're focusing on clarity and control over your presence, not encouraging misuse. First, open Slack and head to the home view. This is your starting point, where you can see your channels, direct messages, and workspace navigation. Being in Home helps you quickly access the settings that influence how your presence appears to others. Next, look to the bottom left corner of the Slack window and click your profile. This opens a panel with your account details and key controls for presence and notifications. It's the quickest way to check what Slack thinks your current availability is. Here, you'll see the option to pause notifications. Go ahead and click it to see what happens. Pause puts you in Do Not Disturb, which shows teammates that you aren't available and can prevent your status from appearing active. You'll notice time options and an indicator that reflects D&D is on. It's helpful to understand this behavior so you don't leave it on by accident. Now, click Resume Notifications. This immediately turns off Do Not Disturb and restores normal alerts. If your goal is to appear available, make sure notifications are resumed. When notifications are paused, Slack may show a special icon next to your name, which can signal you're not actively reachable, even if the app is open. Finally, keep the desktop or web app open and prevent your computer from sleeping. Slack marks you away when your device goes idle or the app isn't running. So, don't quit the app or close the browser tab. Keep Slack open in a window or pinned tab and stay signed in. Check your computer's power settings so the system doesn't automatically sleep during the times you want to appear active. On both laptops and desktops, you can adjust screen and sleep timers so the device stays awake longer, especially while plugged in. Avoid full shutdowns or logouts, and remember that some battery saver modes can force sleep sooner than expected. If you step away, a quick glance to confirm Slack is still open and notifications are resumed helps ensure your status remains green. That's it. Open Home, use your profile menu to confirm notifications are resumed, and keep Slack running while your computer stays awake. Follow these steps, and your active presence will stay consistent and